Hello and welcome to this tutorial on using Java for sending and receiving data from IoT devices aimed at beginner programmers. In this video, we will go over the steps involved in setting up. First things first, you'll need to ensure that you have the Java util concurrent package added to your project in order to use the classes we need to facilitate the connection. Next, create a new instance of the client using the following. Here we are utilizing the MQTT protocol, which is widely used in IoT applications for sensor data collection and telemetry. In this example, to send data from your IoT device, use the following. Here we create a message which encapsulates the payload data and then call the publish method to send the data to the desired topic. To receive data from your IoT device, use the following. Here we create a callback function, which is triggered by messages arriving at the specified topic. The message method is called and prints the received message to the console. There you have it. You now know the basics of using Java for sending and receiving data from IoT devices. Thanks for watching and happy coding.